Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Timothy. Showing you a parking lot that is full with snow after a snowstorm that hit us here in Michigan back, it started Saturday evening and up till last night. Today is 1/6/14. We got here in Michigan about 11 inches of snow. 11 inches of snow. A lot of people are getting stuck. They didn't do the parking lot good here where I'm at. You could tell. Not good at all. I don't know who owns this parking lot, but they didn't do a good job plowing it. Temps here in Michigan are very, very cold. You can tell back there the pile of snow. All the snow. From Saturday night until yesterday, got a lot. Now it's going to be all blowing and drifting snow. The roads are not too bad in shape. Yeah, the roads are not bad at all. Some of the side streets where I live are kind of in bad shape, like ours was. Ours was in bad shape until the plows came through and plowed the road. Probably had complaints about it because people was getting stuck big time. You can tell not very much people are out today. A lot of schools and the colleges are closed, and yeah, even the courthouse and other agencies, even trash people, they didn't run today. Because of this crap that we're getting today. Then this is supposed to last up until tomorrow, but then I guess on Wednesday temps are supposed to be up in the teens. They're getting up there in the teens. So we'll get a little break and from this, but I'm sure it will be back before the end of winter. But yeah, we got walloped. I had to shovel us out today. I shoveled yesterday, then woke up this morning and had to re-shovel again. And to re-shovel again. Well, everyone, just showing you what it looks like here in Michigan today. After a snowstorm that hit us back this weekend. Hope you all enjoyed it. Y'all take care, and I will speak to you soon out there.